determine if booster shots are needed, as are vaccines for children.
An update tonight from local health officials as the county says it is bracing for a drastic surge in COVID cases.
Yeah, the health department is joining all major hospitals in the area to send a strong message about vaccinations, saying a surge could overrun hospitals. NBC 24's Bree Malaska is following this and joins us live tonight with more. Bree.
Well, Aaron, local health officials say that even though vaccinations are rising just a hair under that 50% here in the county, that's still not enough to protect the entire community from the dangerous Delta variant.
The fight is now. The fight is to get vaccinated. The fight is to stop as much transmission as we possibly can so we stop those coming to the hospital with severe issues, and most importantly, stop those that will no longer be with us because they lost their fight to COVID.
A serious warning from local health officials as COVID cases continue to spike, with other parts of the country running out of ICU beds and needing to set up field hospitals. Doctors say Northwest Ohio could be next.
We are seeing a very rapid increase in the number of patients that have COVID symptoms. And unfortunately, we're seeing this population is much younger.
Hospital leaders say COVID admissions are rising and the patients coming in are developing respiratory failure much more quickly than previous strains of the virus.
I have been seeing people since the beginning of this pandemic, and I will tell you that the people that I'm seeing now are much sicker than they were before. And let's just be clear, people were plenty sick at the beginning. This is the worst thing that I've seen as an infectious disease specialist, and I've been doing infectious disease for close to 30 years.
Doctors also sending a reminder that the battle doesn't end once patients are discharged. Maynard Porter tested positive for COVID last November and says he was in Flower Hospital for 47 days. Since then, he's had 6 procedures done to open his airways and keep him alive today, and has another procedure scheduled for next month to reconstruct his airway. Now, he's urging everyone to get vaccinated, an option that wasn't available to him before his life-changing diagnosis.
I don't want anybody in the community to go through the 47 days in the hospital that I had to go through. If you can get vaccinated and not have to have that happen, let's do that for our community.
The local hospitals say that as of right now, they do not plan to suspend visitation or elective surgeries like they did during the peak of the pandemic. Reporting live in Toledo, Bree Malaska, NBC 24 News.
In Wood County, masks will be required at all public areas of government buildings. That's